¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about how to use the direct and indirect object pronouns in the same phrase. When using both the direct and indirect object pronouns in the same phrase, always change the indirect object pronoun with the pronoun se, even if it was feminine, masculine, singular, or plural. And then you will need your direct object pronoun. If you want to know how to use the direct object pronouns and indirect object pronouns, click on the links on the description box. For example, María compra un libro para su madre. María buys a book for her mother, which changed to María se lo compra. María buys it for her. Or, envié las invitaciones de mi fiesta a 20 invitados. I sent my party invites to 20 guests, would change to se las envié. I send them to them. Gracias por vernos. Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Hasta luego!